Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best screen door wheels is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining the smooth operation and longevity of your screen doors, ensuring they glide effortlessly without sticking or derailing, which can be a constant source of frustration and a potential safety hazard if not properly maintained or replaced when worn out. Number 5. Primeline B515 Sliding Screen Door Tension Spring. This is the Primeline B515 tension spring, designed for sliding screen doors. It's a reliable replacement part for various manufacturers. It's compatible with Arcadia and many other sliding screen door brands. Ensure a proper fit for your existing door system. The assembly features a stamped steel body and a polyethylene roller for durability. It's built to last and withstand regular use. Installation is straightforward. Simply snap the tabs with holes over the existing die-cast door frame corner pins. Please compare with the line art drawing before purchasing to ensure it meets your specific needs. This part is not universal. What we like. This roller features a stamped steel body and a polyethylene roller for durability. Its snap-on installation makes it incredibly easy to set up. If you have an Arcadia or similar sliding screen door and are looking for a straightforward, no-fuss replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels are smooth and quiet, making the door easy to slide open and shut. These wheels are a perfect fit for my screen door and were easy to install. The durable construction ensures these wheels will last for a long time. Number 4. Primeline B695 Roller Assembly, 2-pack. Introducing the Primeline B695 Roller Assembly, a reliable replacement part for your sliding screen doors. This assembly is designed for durability and smooth operation. You can trust the quality of this roller assembly, as it's used by a variety of sliding screen door manufacturers. It's built to meet industry standards. Easily adjust it to fit your specific requirements with the convenient adjustable Phillips head screw. This ensures a perfect fit for your door. It features a 1-inch diameter concave steel ball bearing roller. This construction provides long-lasting use and smooth gliding action. The main body is made from high-density polyethylene, offering excellent durability. Combined with the steel ball bearing, it's built to last. Please compare this item with the line art drawing to ensure it meets your needs before purchasing. This is not a universal part. What we like. This assembly boasts an adjustable Phillips head screw for fine-tuning. The steel ball bearing roller ensures smooth operation, and its concave edge is designed for specific track types. If you need precise adjustments and a smooth glide, especially for doors that might need a bit of alignment tweaking, consider this one. What people say. The door slides easily now and I think they'll hold up nicely for a long time. These metal rollers are a definite upgrade over the older stock nylon versions which had completely worn out. Once the new rollers are installed, the screen door rolls effortlessly. Number 3. Primeline B551 Screen Door Roller Assembly, 2-pack. Introducing the Primeline B551 Screen Door Roller Assembly. This pack includes 2 essential rollers for your sliding doors. It's the trusted choice for air control and many other sliding door brands. You can rely on its quality and performance. This roller features a 1-inch high-density polyethylene concave design. It's built for durability and smooth operation. Equipped with a 1/4-inch inner diameter ball bearing axle, it ensures effortless gliding. Experience a smoother door movement. The assembly comes complete with #8-32x3 8-inch machine and binder posts. Everything you need for installation is included. Please compare with the provided line art drawing to ensure it meets your specific needs. This part is not universal. What we like. With a high-density polyethylene, nylon, roller and a ball bearing axle, this option offers quiet operation. It also includes a machine and binder post for a secure fit. If you're dealing with an air control door or a similar model and prioritize a quiet, smooth roll with all necessary hardware included, this is a solid pick. What people say. The wheels are smooth and quiet, making it easy to open and close the screen door. The wheels are made of durable material and seem to be built to last. The installation was straightforward and the wheels fit perfectly. Number 2. CRL KDX20R Steel Ball Bearing Screen Door Roller. Is your screen door sliding roughly? This roller assembly is designed to fit perfectly, restoring smooth movement and precise control to your KD screen door. Experience quiet and steady operation thanks to the 1 to 1/4-inch steel wheel with a built-in ball bearing. It reduces friction for a longer-lasting performance. Built with a durable steel wheel and tension spring, it maintains consistent pressure and dependable alignment. It's designed to resist wear from everyday use. Installation is a breeze. This roller snaps onto the retainer pins without any extra tools, ensuring a stable mount for your screen door. This pack includes 2 roller assemblies, perfect for replacing both the top and bottom rollers. Keep your screen door operating smoothly and reliably. What we like. This roller is built with a durable steel wheel featuring a center groove and a steel ball bearing for exceptional smoothness. Its robust steel construction ensures longevity. If you have a CRL KDX20 series screen door and want a heavy-duty, long-lasting roller that provides quiet and steady operation, this is the one to go for. What people say. They fit perfectly and fixed my sliding screen door. They were easy to install. I picked up this roller and installed it in just 5 minutes. Now the door slides smoothly without coming off the track. Great product and super easy to install. These wheels are entirely metal and so far have worked great in keeping the screen door on its track. Number 1. Sysracks 22U 35-inch Deep Server Rack Cabinet. Introducing the Sysracks 22U Server Rack, designed for deep storage and robust security. Its 35-inch depth accommodates all your equipment with ease. This cabinet comes equipped with a thermostat, LCD screen, and 4 cooling fans to maintain optimal temperatures. It also includes an 8-way power strip for convenient connectivity. Keep your valuable equipment safe with its fully locking design. The included casters allow for easy mobility, making it perfect for any IT or network setup. With a capacity of over 1,500 pounds, this full-size network cabinet is built to last. It's designed to house standard 19-inch server and AV equipment reliably. Experience reliable technology with quality parts and a rich accessory kit. We offer a wide selection of professional server rack solutions to meet your needs. Find the perfect fit for your space. This model is available in various U sizes, from 6U all the way up to 42U, ensuring a solution for every requirement. What we like. This unit is a fully locking server rack enclosure with an integrated LCD screen and cooling fans. It boasts a high weight capacity and comes with a rich accessory kit. If you are setting up a professional IT network or data center and need a secure, feature-rich cabinet with excellent ventilation and monitoring capabilities, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The wheels are smooth and quiet. Easy to install and adjust. Durable and well-made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.